Hello guys, again we are back with a new unboxing, viewing and tasting, and this is the TECKIN Smart Plug SP27, 2 pieces included inside, work with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. We've got the app to download. You can scan the QR code, and app control, Wi-Fi connection, voice control and set schedule timer. Nice. Some specs: you can have a max load 13 amp and max load power is 2990 watt. Wi-Fi compatibility is only 2.4 GHz and working temperature is -22 plus 50 Celsius. 12 months warranty, and let's find out what we've got inside. Nice design. The button you can use to turn on or off, and by holding and pushing 5 seconds you can reset the device. And of course we've got some manual, how to connect, how to use the device. But stay with me, you're gonna find out all about that. Feels very nice in my hand. Good material, the plastic, it's not feeling cheap, it's very premium. Okay, let's download the app and start the pairing process. Now here we are, Smart Life is the app. You need to register, log in with existing account, register, I agree. Now there we are, after we have registered ourselves, now it's time to add a device. Well, there we are, I can see the light is blinking blue. And let's add the device. I can see we've got a variety of products here. How to scan, of course, why not? All the time. Enable Bluetooth. And start scanning. Configure Wi-Fi. And there we are, smart socket. Next, done device. We can see now is steady blue. Oh, you've got a light. Nice. Well, let's see what we have. Switch 1. Switch. Okay. We can make a left time. Schedule. Add. When you want to turn it on. When you want to turn it off. You can add a schedule. Repeat. Every day, once. Note. You can put a note, and if you want, you can add a notification. That's very convenient. Well, I can see all the progress to add this smart plug. It's very easy. It takes about 10 seconds to do that. I have connected it into my Google Assistant. Okay, Google, turn off smart socket.
Okay, turning smart socket off.
Turn on smart socket.
Sure, turning smart socket on.
Well, that's nice. Well guys, what do you think for this smart socket? Well, if you want to find out where you can buy it, you can check it out below to the description, all about this smart socket, where to buy it, more info. You can use it of course with all your appliances, you don't have any problem. It is 3000 watt power consumption and 13 amps. With no problem, it will handle all your appliances. And if you want to make your home smarter, you can buy more of this smart plug, and definitely you will enjoy it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.